How to name your stream on Streamlabs OBS. Naming your stream gives viewers a clear idea of what to expect, attracting the right audience and setting expectations for the content you'll be sharing during that specific broadcast. It's very easy, and here's how we're going to do it. So here we're going to click on Go Live, and then from here you're just basically going to choose the website or the streaming platform where you're going to be broadcasting your stream. Say for example, I'm going to enable Facebook, and then I'm going to just disable this one. And then here I can schedule the video or not, and then I'm going to basically just type the title here. So say for example, in my case, I've written here Valorant solo gameplay by Vladimir Shikiv. And after that one, you can then basically confirm and go live. And that's it. That's how you're going to name your stream on Streamlabs OBS. Hey, quick heads up, if you're into streaming, upgrading to Streamlabs Ultra is a smart move. Hit that link in the description box or the comment section below and score an instant $10 of discount. Easy peasy. If this video has been a help, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like before you go.